Assertive, board-ready English, justify hiring without hedging. Welcome. Today we'll sharpen your executive voice so you speak with board-level clarity. Boards want decisions, not a list of possibilities. They need to hear how your language ties to measurable outcomes: revenue, cost, risk, or speed. We'll strip out hedging and weak qualifiers that dilute your message. By the end, you'll sound confident, concise, and accountable. The tone leaders trust. Think: fewer words, stronger claims, clear numbers, and explicit ownership. If your slide answers, "What decision? Why now? What impact? At what risk?" you're communicating at board level. Hedging blurs decisions. Avoid softeners like maybe, hopefully, and I think. Replace them with decisive verbs: will, is, based on. Shift focus from opinion to evidence. The data show churn spiked after onboarding delays. Then commit to specifics. We will cut onboarding time to 7 days by Q2. Use numbers and dates to anchor intent. We will allocate 2 FTE for 12 weeks to stabilize the release pipeline. Clear commitments reduce debate, speed decisions, and signal leadership. Use crisp patterns that show control and logic. Decision plus rationale. We will expand self-serve onboarding because it lowers CAC. Outcome plus metric. This achieves a 20% ticket deflection by Q4. Risk plus mitigation. Key risk is advisor churn. We reduce it by adding retention bonuses. Ask plus resource. To deliver, we require a dedicated PM and $150,000 for integrations. These frames reduce ambiguity and guide discussion to impact, feasibility, and trade-offs. Exactly what boards want. Link every proposal to revenue, margin, or risk. For example, hiring sales engineers increases ARR, shortens cycle time, and reduces churn risk. Quantify impact, cost, salary plus tools, capacity, tickets per week, speed, lead time. Show you evaluated options. We compared contractors versus FTE. Contractors cost 28% more by month 6. Connect to strategy and milestones. This aligns with the enterprise push and hits the Q3 pilot milestone. When you show trade-offs and fit, the board can approve faster. Use precise, testable statements. We will hire 3 FTE to cut backlog 40%. This unlocks $2.1 million arranged by in 2 quarters. We have capacity gaps in support L2. Success criteria: SLA less than 4 hours, NRR plus 4%. Notice the pattern: clear action, quantified impact, and explicit success metrics. These phrases show you've done the math, understand constraints, and will own the outcomes. Replace generic ambition with measurable promises the board can monitor and you can deliver. Strengthen requests by stating action, number, and timing. Weak: we'd like to add headcount. Strong: we will add 3 analysts in Q1 to accelerate pipeline QA. Weak: it could improve retention. Strong: it raises retention by 3 to 4% based on cohort analysis. The strong versions clarify decision, scope, and impact, turning a wish into a plan. When you quantify, you reduce open questions and shift the conversation from belief to execution. Keep 1 slide per decision. Top: a 1-line decision statement. We will expand L2 support in EMEA. Then 3 bullets for impact, cost, timing. Backlog minus 40%. Churn minus 2 PTS. Cost $480,000. Timing, hire by Q1, effect by Q2. Add one bullet, risk plus mitigation. Hiring market tight. We pre-approved a vendor and referral bonuses. Finish with one line. Success metrics and owner. SLA less than 4 hours. NRR plus 4%. Owner? Ops. This format answers the board's core questions instantly. End decisively. Approve $480,000 for 3 FTE in Q1. State the outcome and deadline. Target. Backlog minus 40% by June. Assign accountability. Owner, ops. Review monthly. Then, invite only essential clarifications. We welcome critical questions on risk, cost, and timing. This close signals that you're ready to execute and have already done the analysis. Clear ask, clear target, clear owner. Now the board can say yes.